on the bench. First I was renting, now I'm collecting rent. Run it up. First it with the Beamer, now I want the Benz. Spending all the back like here I go again. Outside says the chirp, now the camera phone. Told you I'ma keep the channels on. Why you acting different when the camera's on? Why you acting different like your paper long? 8 day wake up and I thank God. Bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon.
In this video, I will show you how to build this super fully functional RC6 wheel drive truck. I designed this thing from scratch to be fully customizable, so you can easily assemble everything and build one on your own. The chassis I am using for this project is from this AUSTAR crawler. It's really good and doesn't cost too much, around 400 bucks. It contains every part you need, including good tires, 2-speed gearbox, metal shock absorbers, metal servo, and an included transmitter and receiver. For more details about it, please check out the link in the description box. For the lighting and sound, I am using the GT Powerlight and sound system. It makes the truck look realistic. You can also find the link to buy it and the instructions on how to install it in the description box. I designed this truck using SketchUp 3D software. The body contains more than 90 solid components. When you download and open the file, you will easily understand the assembly method, and you will be able to build the project yourself. You will only need quick drying glue to assemble the pieces after cutting them on the 3mm plywood. You can download all the files for free on my 3D warehouse link, conveniently provided in the description box below. After integrating the body and the chassis together, finally, let me present to you some footage from outdoor driving, where I have tested and examined its performance in this terrain. I sincerely thank you for your attention, and I hope you enjoy this project. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future projects. Thank you for watching.